Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage closely so you know depth. Clear coat only, paint through, or primer exposed. Once identified, clean with wax and grease remover to remove contaminants. This helps adhesion. Next, sand the affected area beginning with 400-600 grit for edges, feather the paint into surrounding panels, then refine with 800-1000 grit for a smooth transition. Make sure to wipe with a tack cloth and remask any areas. This prepares a uniform surface for primer and avoids trapped dust. Once the surface is clean and sanded, apply primer in 1 to 3 light coats, allowing a 5 to 10 minute flash between each to prevent sagging. Primers fill minor imperfections and give consistent porosity. When cured, block the primer with 800-1000 grit until smooth, taking care to feather the edge into the existing paint so the base coat will blend. Now mix and test match the base coat. Spray thin overlapping passes from 3 to 6 feet, and build color slowly to avoid runs and achieve even coverage. Finish by applying 2 to 4 clear coats in light, even passes, giving each a 10 to 15 minute flash to avoid solvent popping. Let the final film cure 24 to 48 hours before aggressive work. After curing, wet sand with 1500-2000 grit to remove orange peel, then compound and polish progressively to restore gloss. If you spot runs or texture issues, don't panic. Allow full cure, sand the affected spot flush. Reapply clear coat in controlled thin layers, then blend and polish for an invisible repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.